Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Max 3 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's enter date and time. As you can see, it should be on the third position. And here we've got some options which are connected to the date and time, but right now we cannot change it manually. As you can see, we cannot tap on date, time, or even the time zone. It is because we are using network provided time. So first of all, we have to turn off this option. After tapping on it, we can choose between the network provided time, GPS provided time, or off. So just tap on off. And now we've got the date and time active. So let's begin with the date. After tapping on it, the calendar will be displayed and we can simply find the date we want to use and tap on it. So for example, something like that. Tap on OK to confirm. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time. After tapping on this option, the clock will appear and you will be able to pick the time you want to. As you can see, it will be also immediately applied to the status bar. So the same situation with the time zone. As we can see, we cannot tap on it, so let's turn off the automatic time zone and tap on this option. After that, we have to enter the region, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available regions or the time zones from which we can choose. So basically, you have to just find one and tap on it. So let me pick this one. As you can see, it will be immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. I hope that you can remember that we've set 10:30. Right now we've got 11:30. So here we've got also some options connected to the clock format, so we can use local default, but currently this option is turned off, which simply means that we are deciding manually, let's say, what kind of format we will display. Currently we've got 24-hour format. If you want 12-hour format, just turn off this option. So just by tapping on the switcher you can do it. What's more, you can choose the date format. After tapping on it, you can see that you've got in the regional option, you've got, for example, the month first, the day first, the year first. You've got also the particular day, so for example, Saturday or Monday, and so on. So it's really up to you, and just personalize it like you want to. So basically, this is the whole idea of customizing the date and time. Of course, if you want to, you can get back to all previous settings just by tapping on that was a misclick. Let's get back to the date and time. Just pick use network provided time. Here pick this switcher and this one for 24-hour format. So basically that's all. This is how to change the date and time in your CUBOT Max 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.